here for that one, Mr. Walling.
I'm sorry?
The officer's not here.
Oh, okay.
Everyone, please remain quiet. Everyone, please remain quiet and put your phone on mute to eliminate all noise background. And turn on your video. Everyone, turn on your video.
Well, it's an arraignment, Judge.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, walking around, driving a car, or doing anything that would be disrespectful to the court. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. We will start with the people. This is the people versus Mohammed Darwish, ticket number X4081673. Count one, speed freeway 25 miles per hour over, 25 plus miles per hour over. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Huda Berry appearing on behalf of Mr. Darwish.
Client present.
He is not.
Okay. Proceed. How do you wish to proceed?
Thank you, Your Honor. So Mr. Darwish will be pleading responsible to 6 to 10 over in this matter, and he would also be taking a driver's course.
I think, you know what, I think he needs to take the course first before he can take advantage of the offer. So how about we just come back and
Okay.
the course is like a 6-hour course. So we can do 2 weeks. Is that okay for you?
Yep, that would be okay.
So we'll come back on September 8th at 8:35 or yeah, 8:35.
Okay, 1 minute. September 8th. Could we do, I have a trial that morning. Could we do the following weekend, the 15th?
That's fine.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, no, because it's just gonna say.
Okay. All right. Anything further?
That's it for now. Thank you, Your Honor.
Actually, there'd be a review.
Well, he didn't.
Yeah.
All right. You're all set.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
That's so technically it'd be a adjournment.
So at
Yeah,
9 o'clock,
yeah.
you will put at 8:35?
Yeah, I adjourned for a formal hearing.
Your Honor, is Trooper Butch Kai all set then?
Yes, you are. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good morning.
You too. Ms. April, what is your hunt? Dawood? Daywood?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor, Montana Dawood.
Dawood, thank you. This is the people versus Montana Dawood, ticket number P1371320, count 1, 26 to 30 miles per hour over posted speed. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christina Abro, P78224, here on behalf of Montana Dawood, who's also on Zoom this morning.
Ms. Dawood, state your name, please.
Montana Dawood.
Oh, sorry. All right. There is an offer of blockading. Your client does wish to avail himself of that offer.
That is correct, Judge.
With that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket.
So stipulated.
All right, so the court will amend the count to blockading, will proceed to sentencing. There is a $175 fine, and it is due on September 8th. Any questions?
September 8th, and Judge, he can pay that online, correct?
Yes, you can, or over the phone if you want the phone number.
Yes, that would be great.
855.
I'm sorry, you cut off.
855-798-1547.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
You too, thank you.
Mr. Rozier, you have to have a seat, sir. No walking around, everyone. Ms. Royster, you have to have a seat. You're in court.
Let me see, Mr. Trojanowski, what's your client's name?
Your Honor, James Davis.
This is the People versus James Davis, ticket number P13713994, count one, improper left turn. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Trojanowski, P76616, appearing on behalf of Mr. Davis. I'm standing for the attorney record, Jason Malkowitz, with permission, and I also have authority to enter into the agreement where my client will be pleading responsible to blockading traffic.
Okay, Officer Fitzgerald Harris, can you state your name, please?
Yes, hi, I'm Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442.
Is there anyone else that's here on this case?
No, it's just me, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, it's my understanding your client, how does your client wish to proceed? There is an offer of blockading.
Plead responsible to the amended offer.
Okay, you stipulate to the ticket.
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will amend the count to blockading. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is a $175 fine due on September 8th. Anything further?
No, Your Honor. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, officer.
Officer Sheena, what's your client's name?
Good morning, Your Honor. The last name is Dakissian.
Oh. This is the People versus Shant Dekissian, ticket number X4008028, count one, speed freeway 6 to 10 over. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Gregory Sheena, P74815, appearing on behalf of the respondent. I do have respondent's authority to enter a plea and request to waive his presence.
All right, how does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, it is 10:01. I do not believe an officer has appeared on this matter. We would like to make a motion to dismiss.
You are correct. This matter was set for 8:30. No officer has appeared, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
You're welcome. Mr. Walling, Mr. Rozier is valid.
Yes, excellent. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Fikaj, Attorney Fikaj, am I pronouncing it correctly?
Yes, good morning, Judge.
What's your client's name?
Erica, it's spelled Aarika, last name is Roseberg.
Mhm.
The name is hyphenated. It's Ridley Roseberg. So maybe that'll help.
Okay, yeah, really. You have it.
I have it. There we go. I do have it. You said it wrong. It's Ridley Roseberg. All right.
She's got that hyphenated name.
Yes.
For the last part of her name.
Okay, this is the People versus Erica Ridley Roseberg, ticket number P1367475, count one, Delta signal, count two, defective windshield. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Roman Fitzai on behalf of Miss Roseberg, Ridley Roseberg.
All right, it looks like this matter was set for a formal hearing at 8:30, and I don't believe the officer has appeared. So you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. I would motion the court to dismiss this matter.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. Good luck to your client.
Very good. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too. Trying to just get rid of everyone. Mr. Officer, I'm sorry, Abu Zaid, how are you, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Good. This is the people versus Fanar Razuski. Am I saying it properly? I'm probably not.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. Ticket number X4079606. Count one, speed freeway 16 to 20 miles per hour over. Good morning. Please say your name for the record.
For the record, Ziad Nicholas Abuzade, P69447. Waive my client's presence as it's a civil infraction.
Okay, the offer is limited access 1 to 6 over. Your client will avail himself to that offer?
Is that the 0 point LAS, Judge?
It's not, it's 1 to 6 is, I 1 to 5. It's still 2 points.
LAS 1 to 5, I believe, is a 0 pointer. I just want to make sure.
Look to make sure. There is an officer on that. Oh, Trooper Anderson, can you say your name for the record?
Trooper Henry Anderson.
I'm looking at it correctly. Speeding 1 to 5, looking at my fines chart, it says 2 points.
If it's LAS 1 to 5, I'll take it, Judge.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's no, it is 0 points. You're right. Okay, thank you. Okay, so you'll take it?
Yes, Your Honor. I do have the authority to plead responsible on to amended charge. Just ask for 3 weeks to pay if possible.
All right, so the court will amend the count to limited access 1 to 5. And there's a fine of $125 and it will be due on September 15th.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Your Honor. Thank you, Trooper. Have a beautiful day, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ms. Attorney Alasso.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, you have Rajab.
Yeah, Haytham Rajab, I believe, yes.
This is the people versus Haytham Rajab, ticket number P1364988, count 1 to 5 miles per hour over coastal speed. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lawrence LSL 71355 on behalf of Mr. Rajab requesting to waive his presence.
Officer Delabose, can you say your name, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Dolboski, badge 4916.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I couldn't hear the court.
There's an offer of blockading. How's your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, my client would plead responsible and I do have authority to enter that.
Okay, you stipulate to the face of the ticket?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will amend the count. Blockading will proceed to sentencing. There's a $175 fine that's due on September 8th.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Thank you, officer.
Thank you. Attorney Bolahanis.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Gregory Bolahanis. My client's name is Jasmine Davis.
Got it. Thank you.
And she's present with me.
I see that. Thank you, sir. This is the people versus Jasmine Davis, ticket number P1263701, count 1, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Gregory Bolahanis on behalf of Jasmine Davis. Can you check your name, please?
Jasmine Davis.
There is an offer of 6 to 10 miles per hour over.
Your Honor, is the Officer Robinson there? I haven't seen him.
Oh, there is an officer that is here. It was. Or maybe it wasn't. I thought it was officer.
It was Officer Willie Robinson, and he went to another courtroom and has not returned.
So he was here.
Yes, was here. and he left and has not returned.
So how do you wish to proceed? Ms. Gibbs? Honest, how do you wish to proceed?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you, Your Honor.
How do you wish to proceed? The officer did check in. He went to another courtroom.
Does the court expect him back? I don't know.
Yes. So you want to wait?
Yeah, we can wait, Your Honor.
We'll recall it. All right, this is
Thank you.
sure, this is the people versus Ishmael Diab. Ticket number X407804, count one, improper lane use. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Trooper Kane.
Trooper Michael Kane.
Go ahead, Mr. Dowd.
Your Honor, good morning. Attorney AJ Down on behalf of Mr. Diab, P67716.
There is no offer, so how does your client wish to proceed?
I haven't had a chance to speak with the prosecuting attorney. Is that why, or is there just no offer as is?
No, that her offer is no offer. It's just as charged.
May I speak to the trooper if that's possible?
I do know that she would like to be present, so hopefully we'll see if we can get her back. And then.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll call that. All right, Mr. Walling. Anyone in particular that you'd like to start with first?
Not in particular, Your Honor.
All right, this is the people versus Raphael Roby. Ticket number SP118680. Count one, driver license suspended, repeat offender. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor, and count three, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Walling.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling, P35229. I am your House counsel today, representing Mr. Roby. State your name, please, sir.
Raphael Roby.
Your Honor, today's the date and time set for a show cause. I'd ask the court to recall any warrants and my client stands mute. We'd waive any kind of formal reading.
Okay, the court will set aside any warrants.
Thank you, Judge. My client will be tendering a plea pursuant to the people's recommendation to the amended charge of improper plate and the balance of the tickets to be dismissed. He has been advised of his rights.
Okay. Mr. Walling, Mr. Roby also has 5 more tickets that's set for a show cause on October 20th.
Are they on the docket, Your Honor?
I'm sorry, it's 7. No, some are set for October 20th and 2 are set for December 5th.
Your Honor, can we have all these matters scheduled for the October date?
Oh, you want to move everything to
No.
October?
No,
I'm sorry, are you saying something, Mr.
I was
Roby?
trying to, unless you want to get them to me now, I suppose we could do it now.
We'll recall it. We're gonna need a
Okay.
moment.
I
Mr. Roby, you want to say something?
yes, I was I'm actually trying to get my license. I'm working as a temp right now with Court Furniture.
Okay, so we got to recall it. You have to be patient. We'll try to get all your cases together and try to deal with it today.
Okay.
All right, this is the people versus Karan Rozier. Ticket number SP11458834. Count one, fails to display a valid operator's license, not a person. He does in fact have a valid operator's license. Say your name for the record.
Your Honor, my name's Philip Walling, representing Mr. Rozier. State your name, Mr. Rozier.
Karan Rozier.
Your Honor, the recommendation is a failure to display, but that's before I was able to ascertain that he has a valid license Based on that information, Your Honor, I'd move to dismiss.
You stipulate the probable cause.
I will.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set. Mr. Rosie, is it Rosier?
Rosier, Quran, like the Muslim Bible.
Got it. I know how to say Quran, but okay. So you're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
This is the people versus, do we have Dennis Doherty here? I don't see it.
Well, I haven't talked with Mr. Doherty.
This is the people versus Douglas Glenn. I'm sorry, Glenn Douglas, ticket number 734176, count 1. I don't know what that count is, I'm sorry. And then ticket number SP 1295758, count 1, reckless driving, and then ticket number 217341761, count 1, reckless driving.
There's 2 reckless drivings, Judge?
There are 2 reckless driving.
Okay. There are also, Your Honor, a number of civil infractions that my client tells me that he has. What I'm asking the court at this time, my client wishes to continue his not guilty plea. I'm asking that these matters be set for a pretrial. If we can have all the defaults set aside at this time and deal with them in one fell swoop. And I highly recommended to Mr. Douglas that he retain an attorney. I'm also recommending, Mr. Douglas, at this time that you take the Michigan Driver Improvement course for your next date.
Okay, so you want to set it for a pretrial?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll set it for October 26th at 8:35.
Thank you, Judge. And can we have all his civil infractions set aside?
Yes, they're set aside. So no, I didn't necessarily say that. No, we'll see. I would like to have the city attorney weigh in on that.
Okay.
So we'll come back for a pretrial on September 26th at 8:35.
Do you want to wait for the civil attorney so we can have a meaningful October 26th?
September.
That's what I said, September 26th.
I'm sorry, I misheard.
It's September 26th. That's the next day.
But should we wait till she comes back to hear her input on the setting aside of the defaults?
And we can do it when we come back.
Okay.
So we're all set.
I don't see Mr. Douglas. Did he drop off after all that?
No,
No.
he's here. Did you say your name for the record, Mr. Douglas?
Glenn Douglas.
Okay, so you understand what's going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your next date, September 26th at 8:35.
Okay.
Okay. This is the people versus Crystal Royster.
Philip Walling representing Ms. Royster, Your Honor. You should have a recommendation to dismiss this matter.
All right, well, let me call it. Ticket number SP 1069783, count 1, drive while license suspended. I have a recommendation for fail to display.
Ms. Royster has shown me her driver's license, Your Honor. It expires on August the 31st of 2024. Move to dismiss.
You stipulate the probable cause?
I do.
It's dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you. I think we need to have Ms. Royster state her name.
Oh, yes, please. Unmute yourself, Ms. Royster, say your name.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Crystal Royster.
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Laura Reese, or Rice. Ticket number SP 1108992, count 1, Robert is licensed in person. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with
Philip Walling representing Ms. Rice. State your name, please.
Hello, my name is Laura Reese.
Reese, sorry.
It's okay.
Your Honor, I'm hoping that people have listed a dismissal as of this matter. My client is in compliance. Her license expires in October the 11th of 2022. I'll stipulate the probable cause.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set.
Thank you, Judge.
This is the People versus Malcolm Dixon. Ticket number.
Malcolm Dixon?
You can leave, Ms. Reese.
I'm sorry, this. We can't hear you, Ms. Reese, but you're all set. This is People versus Malcolm Dixon, ticket number SP 1099093, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, drive while license suspended, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Walling.
Philip Walling representing Malcolm Dixon. I spoke to a Mr. Dixon, Your Honor, but I don't believe it was a Malcolm. Did I speak to you, Mr. Dixon?
No.
All right, well, his offer is if he can plead to improper plates and everything else to be dismissed. So if he pled to count 1, which was the unregistered vehicle, it'll be amended to improper plates, and there would be a $200 fine. You would have it paid by September 22nd. If you needed more time, the court will give you more time, and then everything else will be dismissed. Is that something that you're interested in taking advantage of, or do you want to talk to the attorney to hear more about your rights?
Yes, I'll take that, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the court while the attorney was present about your case and your rights.
I really didn't talk to nobody. I just got on Zoom and
Like
just wait.
literally 30 seconds ago, you had an opportunity
Oh,
to speak.
yes.
Your attorney
Yes.
was present. All right. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 25th, 2020 at 9:15 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Shane and Macomb in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2003 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
That vehicle untitled or unregistered?
Yes.
Are you satisfied, Mr. Walling?
I am satisfied, Your Honor. I will stipulate to probable cause for dismissal of the other 2 matters. If I could ask my client one question for the record, do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance at this time with your name on it?
No, I never had a license.
Thank you. Please proceed, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court will amend count 1 to improper place, dismiss counts 2 and 3 without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that paid by September 22nd?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Horn. Oh, no, I think you're not who we're looking for. So that's fine.
It was Mr. Roby.
Yes.
Yes, Ms. Horn, we do, Mr. Roby has a number of tickets. We had 3 of them up to date, but he had 7 more tickets. So we were gonna pull the ROAs, and if we could get an offer, that'd be much appreciated.
Great. I'll come down so I can review the whole file.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
This is the People versus Barry Dixon, ticket number P1154772, count 1, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Ticket number P1146014, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license, count 3, improper plate. Ticket number P1099259, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1078562, count 1, drive while license suspended, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P10533203. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Walling.
Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Dixon.
Say your name, Mr. Dixon.
Barry Dixon.
All right. So there is an offer that if he makes admission to count 1 of drive on license suspended, repeat offender, that would be amended to fail to display. And then if he makes admissions to count 1 of the drive and register or entitled vehicle, that would be amended to improper plates, and then everything else would be dismissed.
My client thrills to that offer, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dixon. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You're now had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Walling today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Greg, you forced your promise to anything of help in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will. Can you hear me? You're muted, sir.
Oh, it said the host muted me. I'm sorry.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Correct. Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
I understand.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 13, 2021 at 4:24 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Warren and Ellery in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You driving a 2004 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
You driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to, oh, you satisfied the factual basis, Mr. Walling?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay, I am also satisfied. Will amend that count to fail to display. I'm going to direct your attention to December 16, 2020 at 11:12 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near French and Traverse Street? In the
Yes.
city of Detroit? You driving 2001 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while the vehicle was unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Walling?
I am, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied. We'll amend that count to improper plate. We'll proceed to sentencing. It's gonna be,
No, wait.
okay, so there's gonna be a fine of $300, and I'll waive the other fine. Can you have it paid by September 22nd?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
You said 300 cash, right?
Yeah, cash or card or whatever.
Okay, I don't have any. So I go to a kiosk or something?
There are kiosks, yes, there's kiosk in CVS or Meyer where you can pay it. I guess it's pay cash, I'm sure.
Okay, understood.
Okay, any other questions?
No.
Okay, sir.
Your Honor,
Yes, go ahead, Mr. Stout.
Your Honor, on the Diab matter, I spoke to Trooper. There's no offer, and unfortunately, I'm not authorized to accept as charged. I'd like to withdraw and have the matter set for another hearing so that my client could represent himself.
Okay, that's fine. So you want the court to grant your motion? Do you need to make a motion? Do I need to call the case? All right, so you want me to call the case and you make a motion, Mr. Dowd?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is People versus Ishmael Diab, ticket number 4078004, count one, improper lane use. Please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Attorney AJ Dowd on behalf of Mr. Diab.
All right, Trooper Kane, you can say your name, sir.
Trooper Michael Kane.
My understanding, Mr. Dowd, you wish to withdraw from this matter?
Yes, Your Honor, please, if I may.
Okay, so the court will grant your motion to withdraw. We'll adjourn this matter for September 26th at 9 o'clock. And meet that is, or not 9 o'clock. What is 9 o'clock?
I might as well do it like that.
9 o'clock. Okay, so we'll just do it for 9 o'clock. And was there?
September 26th.
Yeah, September 26th at 9.
Thanks, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, it'll just be a trial. Oh, I should have said, I did it.
Well, it's already said, I'll join for you.
For bench trial or just do it? Bench trial stand for adjournment.
For the trooper was right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was already said. Former hearing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Officer Buchanan, good morning. What case are you here for?
Good morning, Officer Buchanan. It already got dismissed, only because I'm late joining. Last name was Riddle Roseberry.
Yeah.
Roseburn? Yeah, that one. Oh, yeah, it did.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks for checking in.
Not a problem. Thank you.
Mr. Bolahanis is still waiting. The officer did check in for Jasmine Davis, but the officer went to the courtroom. So I don't know if more to
She might reschedule. If we do a motion and stuff, she could reschedule it and have boss come back. Please. You just want to take advantage of the place she does have.
so much involved. Okay, thank you. So, Mr. Bolahanis, Ms. Horn is here. She will call Officer Robinson. And I think she's still working on Mr. Roby. We can go on the record really quickly on a matter that should actually have Mr. Wallen stand in or. No smoking, Mr. Roby. So I'll call this, I'm just gonna call the case really quickly. This is the people versus Dennis Daughtry, ticket number P 11772222, count one, accident, drive, failed to use due care and caution. Ticket number P 177.
Stop, Judge, I'm not getting it. There's too much noise coming. Okay. I didn't get the second one.
This is the people, ticket number P 1177224, count one, lead scene of accident, personal injury, count two, lead scene of accident, property damage, and count three, failed to report accident. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the people of the city of Detroit, P70303. I would like to note for the record that Officer Willie Robinson did appear. Today is the date and time set for trial. However, the parties are not able to proceed at this time. Your Honor, we are trying to resolve this matter between the defendant and the people. And additionally, counsel for defendant is currently not available and is away is out of town. So Your Honor, the people respectfully request an adjournment of this matter.
Okay, the court will adjourn this. You did indicate this to the court prior to today that you had been in talks with the attorney and both stipulated to adjourning this. So the court will adjourn this for September 26th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you so kindly, Your Honor.
Yeah, so I'm just letting you know you got a rush. But we're still trying to get them.
Okay, great. Yeah, Officer Robinson, he checked in, I remember, he said he was on both these cases. No, I'm saying Officer Robinson did check in, and said he was for Daughtry, and was for.
So it looks like we're going to trial on.
Mr. Bolahanis, you're looking to go to trial on this matter?
Is Officer Robinson present, Your Honor?
Yes, he's available. He did check in. This is Tamika
Okay.
Horn with the city.
Yeah, just give me one moment, please.
Yeah, she's calling him now.
Your Honor, my client will avail herself to the offer of 6 to 10 over.
All right, let me call this. This is the people versus Jasmine Davis, ticket number P 1263701, count one, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed. Good morning. Again, say your names for the record.
Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the people of the city of Detroit, P70303.
Gregory Bulahanas appearing on behalf of Jasmine Davis, who is here with me, P36431, Your Honor.
All right, there is an offer of 6 to 10 over. You stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Bolahanis?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, the people would like to note for the record that Officer Willie Robinson was here and available for a formal hearing today and still remains available.
Thank you. All right, so with that, the court will amend the count to 6 to 10 over and we'll proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $135 that is due on September 8th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set.
Have a great day.
You too. Why did it say? It say 220. Is that wrong? It's on top. You see, it's on top. Oh, it's a difference.
Usually it's a.
Oh.
The reason I know is
I hope I didn't make it a fine. I hope it's fine.
let me check around. Is there a different fine sheet versus speed?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can find it out. Yeah, because Judge Brown.
Give me that
So it-
Why do you have yourself on here? All right, are we ready? You still working on Roby?
Yeah, he's gonna.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Roby, we're still working on it.
We might as well just let Mr. Walling.
Yes,
I'm unable to make an offer on Mr. Roby right now. I asked that he take driver's training or get a driver improvement certificate and then come back and I'll make a sweet deal for him.
Come back on October 20th. He already has, we'll put everything on October 20th, Mr. Roby. And take a driver's improvement course.
And come back with the certificate, okay? And this is Tamika, I'm the prosecutor. And do you want my email address? Are you able to write it down?
I just got one question. Can we take care of the no insurance? Because I actually spoke to the Secretary of State and they said that was the only thing holding me back from getting my license.
If you take the driver improvement course, I won't even mess with that. I usually dismiss insurance because that's usually, you're not having insurance, you know.
In a moving vehicle.
Yes, I'm in the passenger seat. I'm actually riding with my coworker. He's driving.
Well, you're not supposed to be in a moving vehicle while you're in court.
Okay.
Okay. It don't matter. Here's the thing. We're gonna put everything over to October 20th, and she'll package everything up to give you an offer. But you need to take a driver's improvement course
and come back with the certificate.
Okay, can we just handle what I got right now?
No, we're gonna do everything over. We're gonna put everything over and deal with it all together. You can't, I mean, unless you just want to plead to it, but I mean.
Yeah, I want to tend to it right now. Because I just want to tend to it right now.
I really, Mr. Roby, I really don't think that's what you want to do.
Yeah, that's the 1 to 5 over is 2 points. No, it's not. It's 1 point.
October that's too far away.
Let me run upstairs and I left.
Is it time for you to bring it back to October 20th? You already have it, it's already.
I never call these people on this explosion thing. Oh, wait. He goes some more.
Put it over in 2 weeks. To the rest of it.
Roby,
You got a lot of paper.
yeah, just put it all together on one day, whatever day.
We'll come back on, we'll do September 15th. At 8:35.
And this is the prosecutor again. You can go online to the Secretary of State and just pick a course. And I believe everything's online. You don't have to go in person, but and it's like, I think 50 or 60 bucks. But just get the driver improvement course because I'm concerned about why you're getting pulled over. But just do that and I'll give you a sweet deal and I'll make it so that it's affordable because I don't believe in giving you a whole bunch of cases and you can't pay for them. You know, these cases can be anywhere from $195 to $500 a pop. So I'm not gonna do that to you either to put you in a situation where you still gotta pay a lot of money. So just take that course, come back with the certificate, and my name is Tamika, and just, you know, come back with it and I'll work something out for you so you can go and get your license. You do not wanna plead to all of this because it's just gonna put you out farther, just to make things, you know, easy for you and you want to get rid of it. You're not going to be able to get a license if you plead to all of this. So
okay, so what about, I spoke with Secretary of State, they said I had 1 ticket holding me back from getting my license.
All your tickets are holding you back. All your tickets are holding you back. You got about 15 tickets and they're all considered misdemeanors. So
yes,
so just come back with the certificate.
Okay, yeah, one officer actually wrote me 14 tickets at one time.
Okay. Well, that's okay. You don't have to tell me all that. Just come back with a certificate and I will definitely work something out with you that works for you. And so you can go on back to work. Okay, so going back to work, come back with that certificate. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Walling, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.